Our recipe is very easy, only 2 steps. The first thing that we have to do is to turn on the heat and to boil water. We will cook the rice for 15 minutes. Then we'll cool it down with a lot of cold water. We will add the almond milk. In the end, the rice and the chocolate rice pudding is ready. Let's start together. Now is the time for the second step. We turn on the heat, we add the almond milk, the stevia sugar and the coconut sugar. When it starts getting boiled, we add the chocolate, dark chocolate and cocoa powder. In the end, we'll add some cold water on a cornstarch, and when it's sticky and creamy, the milk, we add the rice. And it's ready. When we add the rice, we turn off the heat and we take this nice small bowl, we serve, we leave it outside to take the room temperature and then for 2 hours in the freeze. Amazing, amazing, so delicious, so delicious. Your child's gonna love it and it's sugar-free. It's time to say goodbye.